So last week we are actually uploaded the image. Do you all understand? Okay.
Yes,
Say
sir.
yes or no.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now you see here when you click on product, I go here, I say Oppo mobile, something like this. Okay. And then Oppo mobile description. Okay. And then I'm selecting an image. In the download, you see I'm going to try to select the image. Listen carefully. I'm selecting this WhatsApp image, and then my product cost is something like 23,000. Okay. And then I'm submitting. Now, when I submit and continue, it is storing into the database. You see, the data is stored in the database, and I can able to see the Oppo mobile. Say yes or no. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Everybody.
Yes, sir.
So this is the idea behind you have to use the product to be uploaded. Now, when you click on edit, you see here, I got all the information, but did I get an image here?
No.
No, right? Did I get an image here?
No, sir.
No. Yoganand, tell me how to implement edit with image.
Mm, not aware of that, sir.
I have to go to edit. Here, first I need to store, I need to have a div, right? Div class row empty-3. Here I say div class call sm-4 call md-4. Clear my point? And then you need to have a label. What is the label we can give now? I can say simply product image. And then I'm going to create another div. Class row, not row, call empty-4 call sm-3.
Yeah.
Here I'm going to say image src is equal to products at model dot. What model? The model is required a product image or not? Say yes or no. This model required a product image. Everybody. Come on, guys. You need to speak.
Yes, sir.
So to bring the model image, first what you need to do? You need to update your model, right? Product update model. You need to update the product model. Go to definition. Here, you have to have simply say public string product image file and say get set. Clear my point? And then this product image file need to be accessed in the product service under the edit method. Get product by ID. You need to map the product model, update product model, right? So you have to do what? Product image file equal to product model dot file path. Then only you can take this product image file. Okay, copy this, go to your edit. There, you need to say image SRC is equal to products at model dot product image file. Okay. And then you try to run the project. Sorry. Now, when you scroll down, click on edit. You see there is an image. Say yes or no, ma? Image is there. Say yes or no. Prabhu, Ranjit, everybody. Gaganyan, Sim, Sarat Kumar, Yoganand.
Yes, sir.
Everybody. Ranjit, Sarat and everybody. Now, will the image should not be in a right format. So what you need to do in this, you go back, you close the application. Okay. Now go back to the edit model, take the image, go to top. Here, you simply say style and say image width equal to 100 pixel, height equal to 100 pixel. Clear my point? You need to apply width and height and say here dot hash. What will happen? You see in the create also, it will be the same. Where is the style sheet? No need. You see there is an image. You copy this image, Go back to your edit, simply append and try to run the project. Okay. Hi, Rajni. Arjit.
Yes, sir.
Now you see here, when you click edit, you got the product. You got the product or not? Say yes or no. Everybody. And then you need to upload an image or not. You need to upload an image or not? Say yes or no. I want to modify the image. Do I need to upload the image? Everybody? Say yes or no. Ranjit, Rajani, everybody. Do you need to upload the image or not? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir. We need to update the image.
Yes,
We
sir.
need to update the image. So what do you need to do? You go back to your create. Okay. Take the image part. You copy this entire structure as it is what you did in the create, copy, go to edit. There, you simply go here, paste, and say the label is upload image. Upload image. But sir, there is a problem in the product file. Why? Can anyone tell me why I have a problem in the product file? Because this product file not part of my model. So what I need to do? What I need to do, ma? Public iForm file. We all did this. Paste and say get set. Clear my point? Public iProduct file, say get set. Clear my point? Arjit, Yoganand, Prabhu,
Yes, sir.
Ranjit, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Once you've done that, since it is a problem, it can accept nullable file. Okay. Now go back. You see the edit, it is working fine. Clear my point? But one thing you need to append in your edit. What is that? Whenever you are upload a file, you need to have what? Form method will have a NC type, right? Multi-form post you have to append. Say yes or no?
Yes.
So what do you need to do? ENC type equal to
Multi-part.
multi-part form data. Clear my point? Once you've done that, now, is it an anchor tag or a button? It always be a button. Submit always be a button or not?
Yes.
Okay. So when you submit the button, this product update will call. Clear my point? Now you go back to your controller. Where is my controller? Product controller. Go to your update, put the breakpoint, run it. Why it is going through this this browser? Now click on edit, choose a file, scroll down. I'm selecting this file. Scroll down. I say submit. Now what happened? Model is holding the IPFORM file. Model is holding the IPFORM file. Say yes or no. Say yes or no. Everybody. My model is holding the IPFORM file or not?
Yes, sir.
Your model is holding the IPFORM file. And then once the model is holding the IPFORM file, what do you need to do? What do you need to do, ma? You need to convert. You need to pass this file into my service. Go to implementation. You need to build a logic, right? As we create a product. In the controller, you say in the create add method, you return a logic like this, right? Copy the same logic. Okay. Go to your update. And then here, you write the logic. Understand? You write the logic and say model.product file dot file name. And then you are going to create the file. Finally, the product update will happen. Now you see. Hold on a second. Why it is taking this? Now you go and edit. To take choose file. To take this one. Take this one. Click on a submit. F10. File is created. Product is updated. What? Why file is not updated? What is the issue?
I think file path.
Yeah, you need to get the file name. Model dot. Okay, not the problem here. Before you pass the model, you need to update the model dot file name. Image file equal to underscore file, not underscore file. What to do? You need to take this. Copy, paste. This is the file name you need to pass, right? Am I right or wrong? Now run it. But again, once you've done that, in the update product, go to implementation. You see, in the product model, I'm not passing the file path. So what I need to do, product file path equal to product model dot image file name. Clear my point? Without passing the image file name, that will not store in the database. Rajini, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yoganand, Nyan Singh, Ranjit,
Yes, sir.
Sachin Trivedi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yoganand, Pradeep Ramyal, Prabhu B
Yes,
is
sir.
new. And who is new? Ganyan Singh is new. Okay. Click on edit, choose. Now come here. You take this image and then submit. Now what will happen? It is model it, complete the file, store in the DB, and then product image is coming, product ID. Go back to the model. Model is collecting the data. Now you see the model is holding the file name also. Model is holding the file name.
Yes.
Say yes or no.
Yes.
And then I'm storing back into the database. Once you redirect, you see image is added.
Right.
Say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So edit is working, delete is working, create is working with the image. Any questions? Anybody have any questions? Rajini, Arjit, Sachin Trivedi.
No, sir.
Anybody
No
have any?
question. No question from my side.
Okay.
iPhone builder.
Come again.
What is iPhone builder?
That is an iPhone. It is not an iPhone builder. I
Go
don't
to the
understand. I don't understand. iPhone file, it is basically, can you read the text? Represent a file sent with the HTTP request. When you are sending any file, you need to send through HTTP request. Okay. That is the reason iPhone file will be there.
So
Which is derived from Microsoft.
without iPhone file,
Come again.
can we do it without iPhone file? Just putting the string data type.
No, see, basically you need to collect the file, right?
Oh,
Your client browser should pass that file to your server with the help of iPhone file. First, you detect the file. Then you
okay.
can change it whatever the way you want. You can store it in blob, you can store it in as an image, you can store it in Azure database, anywhere, wherever the way you want, you can store it. First,
Okay.
you need to collect the file. How we see, you have a client browser, you have a web server, right? The client browser should tell our server that I'm uploading a file, right? When you are uploading a file, iForm file will tell you that, yes, this is the iForm file, I'm passing the product image. Any document. You can upload PDF, you can upload anything. Understand, Arjit?
Yes. So that means it is not only the file name. It contains the whole file content.
That is what I'm saying.
Hmm.
That is what we saw here. I can show you once again. I'm putting a breakpoint here, right? See, I want to change this. Okay. Image.
Mhm.
You select the WhatsApp. Click on submit. Now you see here in the model, what happened here? Can you read this?
It's a request.
So what request it is should
What
pass?
properties are there within this file name?
With the help of form data, product file, there is a WhatsApp message images coming. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
And the image extension is image-jpeg. File name is WhatsApp image. Length of the content. Blob storage is this one. In the header, you see there are two things are passing. One is content type is image. Content form data is product file. You understand? So all these things will come through iForm file. Clear?
Okay.
So that is how you are going to collect the data. That is how we are going to collect the data. And then what we are doing, first you are taking the root path. Your root path is web root path, right? Am I right or wrong, Arjit?
Yes, right.
Once you collect the Arjit, what you are doing under the root, you will have a product folder. You see here, there is a product folder,
Mm-hmm.
and then I'm trying to run it. What will happen? The file path is created where the file should be stored. And then you are trying to store the file. And after that, you are taking that file name, posting here. This
Yes.
data will go and store in the DB. You understand my point?
Yes.
After storing the data, you are going to get collection of data.
Mm.
You see here, I'm going to get the IO service, product service, environment, everything. Now you are calling the products. Now when you call the product, what are all the data available in the database? You are able to see here or not?
Yes, we can see here.
As a visualizer, I can able to see the data. This data I am returning to the backend.
Mm.
So that these images are coming. Clear my point?
Yes.
Everybody clear? Pradeep, Ramyal, Remal, Rajin, Rajini, Ranjit, Yoganand.
Yes, sir.
So you are storing the file path only in the database and mapping at the time of generating the data, right?
Yes.
Mm.
Always see, in real time, always your files will be stored in a file share path. Right?
Mm.
That path you are going to store in the DB.
Yes.
Nobody will store directly the file into database as a blob. That is not a right practice
Mm.
because it will hit your performance of the database.
Yes.
Everybody understand? Sachin,
Yes.
Nyan Singh,
Yeah.
Yoganand, Pradeep Ramyal, Prabhu, Puridangla,
Yes.
Yes,
Prabhu.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. எங்கிருந்து பேசுறீங்க நீங்க? எங்கிருந்து இருக்கீங்க? சென்னையா?
Chennai, sir.
Which area?
Velacheri.
Velachery. How you got my number basically?
Actually, I got the WhatsApp channel, sir.
Okay.
So, அங்கிருந்து pick பண்ணி join பண்ணேன்.
இல்ல இந்த ஐடாஸ்க் வாட்ஸ்அப் சேனல் எப்படி வந்ததுன்னு கேட்டேன்.
இன்ஸ்டாகிராம்ல சர்ச் பண்ணும்போது வந்தது.
Fine. You joined last week, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You understand, right, Prabhu?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. Ranjit?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Fine. So tomorrow the plan is, see, right now you have a product name, product description, product image, product cost. Now I'm going to come up with the product category with the drop down. See, whenever I create a product, I need to have a product category as a drop down. That category will come from the database. Let us build that tomorrow. Is it okay? Because I don't want to touch now. If I touch it, I can't able to complete it in another 10 minutes or 15 minutes. We'll continue that by tomorrow, 9 to 10. Okay? Everybody clear with that?
Okay, sir.
Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So tomorrow I will upload this one by today. Once the processing is completed, I will upload it into YouTube. I will share you the link. Clear?
Okay.
Sir, in the drive also, can you please upload?
Yeah, I'm going to upload in Drive, Rajni. But what I will do is I'll create a group, right? Tomorrow morning, I will upload all the things, and then what I will do, I will call you guys. I will ask you your Gmail. Once you've done that, I will upload that. Don't worry. Hmm?
Okay. Okay.
Anything else? So, Prabhu, do you know my number, right?
Yes, sir.
1 second. Let me stop the recording.